Do you sleep next to a snorer, or you are a snorer yourself, or you're just not getting good rest and you're like, what can I do? My name is Vaishali Patel and I'm the founder of Sanskar Teaching, and in this video we're going to talk about mouth tape. Do you know what I'm talking about? It's this thing. It's funny that I don't know when did we, like when we were younger, we didn't have to worry about, at least in the times that I grew up in, it was never about, am I getting enough rest? Or we never stressed about, finding tools to sleep better or any of that stuff. And it's interesting how we all ended up here. We kind of know how we all ended up here. But in this video, let's focus on what is a mouth tape. So I actually saw my daughter using this and I was like, I don't know what this is and why does she use it? What it is, it's literally a tape or adhesive patch that you put on your mouth so you can breathe deeply and only through your nose. And this gives more of a restful sleep and helps with snoring as well. How does it work? It's blocking the mouth from opening, and it forces one to breathe through their nose. And the science behind it is that when we breathe through our nose, the air is filtered and it's humidified, which helps maintain optimum level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. So, because when you're breathing through the mouth, you're bypassing the natural filtration and humidification mechanisms. So, and it could lead to, dry mouth and dry throat and sometimes disrupted sleep. We didn't know this, right? I mean, we're like, what? How do you know that? Well, we know that because people did research and they found out. And for me, it works. Also, I think mouth breathing makes the oxygen that reaches our brain, it impacts it and it's reduced compared to when you're breathing through your nose. And so it makes sense that's the reason why the sleep quality is better. Now, who is this for? Mouth breathing is not for everybody, right? Because, mouth tape is not for everyone. It helps with sleep quality. And just as I explained that because you're breathing through your nose, you're using the filtration and I think the oxygen is supplied better. Whereas when you're breathing through your mouth, the amount of oxygen that goes to our brain is reduced. This reduced snoring because snoring is often caused by partially blocked airways. And that happens if you notice when people are snoring, their mouths are normally open. And the mouth tape forces you basically to breathe through your nose. Better oxygenation, as I said, it humidifies and it also moistens your mouth and throat. Personally, is this for everybody? I'm going to say no, because the reduced airflow can also make your body temperature be dysregulated and it can make you uncomfortable. So my personal experience is the first time I put it on, for a moment, it felt like, oh gosh, I'm going to suffocate because I was so used to breathing through my mouth. And then I was like, okay, let's try it. And then my breath started feeling very hot, because I could feel my breath on my mouth, coming through my nose. So I had to play with it. For a while, I just put it on half of my mouth, or then I would just keep trying it. Overall, I'm going to say you don't need to invest in fancy patches. You could use medical tape too. I just put Vaseline on my lips and then put this on. The current brand that's working for me, and this by no means, they're not sponsoring. They don't even know I'm talking about it. But this is what's working for me. It's called Mute Mouth Tape. I'll link it so you could find it on Amazon. And I like the fact that it's a circle instead of completely shut, it's psychological, but I feel like the corners of my mouth can still breathe. Try it out for yourself, cut it in half, play with it. There's no right or wrong way. I will tell you though, it took me a couple of nights and then I started feeling like, oh, I didn't realize that I was drooling, but that also stopped for me. Not slobbering, but just I could feel it in the edge of my mouth. And so, I love finding small tools that can make our life better. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and like and comment and let me know, do you use mouth tape? What are your thoughts? And keep it real and keep it light.